Hi dear friends, welcome back to HP World. Today I discussed with you about Instagram. It's available in our smartphone as an inbuilt application and we use and we access and we use this application by registering or with our mobile number or email ID. Here we are going to check how can we use this Instagram in our PC or laptop. Okay, we can check how can we use this one. We have the three ways to use this one in PC. Okay, first of all, go to your Google, then type in the Google instagram.com directly. We can go to the their website. Here is a see, we can see www.instagram.com. If we check here, if we click there, you will get this type of one, right? You can check. It's already here is a already I signed here, switch to account. You can see here you can register your Instagram this or you can access your the same Instagram account which is you registered in your smartphone. Okay, you can use your mobile number and password. Okay, that's way this is the one way. Okay, the second one is Instagram. It's available through our Microsoft Web Store. Okay, you can check Insta get from Microsoft Store. Okay, so you can check here as a get Instagram. You can find you can get Instagram Microsoft Store. So here is a you can see the get type here over the Microsoft Store is a get it free. It's a free application through available in Microsoft Store. You can check. You can click here. So we can this use across your devices. No, you can install here. You can directly install as an application in your laptop. Okay, we can try how it's already is going to be installed. It's already it's already installed. Then you can check here. You can feed the notification. It's a launch. You can click on the launch here. So if we launch like this one here, this is another way. Okay, see this one, right? Okay, you can access with your mobile number already you registered and password. If you don't have, you can register with another mobile number or another email and password. You can get this one, right? This is the second way. Okay, the next way is we can check what is the next way. The third way, how can we use the with Instagram in laptop? Go to the Google again. No, it's a Google account. You can send, you can check, this, I'm using the Google Chrome. Okay, gonna go to extension. We have to find the one extension. We can add the one extension add on with the Google Chrome. Okay, we can check what is the extension here. You can find the extension. So what is the file? So, no, it's already so okay. You go to directly go to the Google. Um, Instagram extension in for Chrome. You can click here, right? Chrome extension for Instagram. You can click here. So here is you can find here extension for Instagram. Add to Chrome. That means if you click here, we can check add to Chrome and then add an extension. Okay, this is one. Okay, wait, see this extension already installed to Google Chrome. Okay, so we can access from through this way. If you click here, it will open like this. Okay. This is another way to use Instagram in web version in our laptop and PC everywhere. Okay, my friends, I hope that you enjoy my video. Please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, you will get notification when I upload the new videos. Okay, thank you.